Welcome to a special question and answer session with Dr. Rodrigo Rodriguez at BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center in Tijuana, Mexico. I am Lindsey Williams. For a free consultation, you heard me correctly. I know you don't get that in other parts of the world, but for a free consultation with a doctor at BioCare Hospital, call the toll-free number right into the hospital in Tijuana, Mexico, 800-262-0212. And when you call, ask for their 60-page booklet, which will be sent to you free of charge. Dr. Rodriguez, BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center is so unique. And in my estimation, it can take care of every need physically that a person might have. In fact, my wife and I oftentimes remark, if we get anything from a headache to a toe ache, we just automatically come to BioCare Hospital. I don't even bother to go to a local doctor or a hospital. For instance, my wife, Joanna, had a complete knee replacement in the operating room here at BioCare Hospital. I have a pacemaker, and while at BioCare Hospital, it was taken care of. Whatever the need may be, whether it be dentistry, or whether it be an operation, or whether it be your eyes, if you need glasses, if you want an ophthalmologist, whatever it may be, every need that I can think of can be taken care of right here at BioCare Hospital. Dr. Rodriguez, would you please explain how BioCare Hospital is able to handle so many of the needs of people successfully?
At BioCare, we're here for you, and we'll be very happy to hear all your questions, all your concerns, help you in any way we can. So I'd like you to pick up the phone and give us a call. This is a toll-free number. This is a free consultation, no strings attached. Just let me know what's happening in your life, and I'll be very happy to answer you, to give you orientation and guidance. Also, make sure that you request our 96-page brochure on BioCare Hospital. It doesn't tell you how wonderful we are. It tells you what we do and why we do it. And when you're doing that, if you feel someone else might benefit from this information, request 2 or 3, whichever number you need. Again, we're always going to be here for you.